So, 3 punto lang po. Sa Tagalog, 3 K. Katapatan, kaligayahan, kaganapan. In English, we call it fidelity, felicity, fecundity. Katapatan. Hindi matatawaran ang 50 taon na pagsasama bilang mag-asawa ni Mama Poyen at Papa Bear. At alam po natin, napakahirap maging faithful. Pero kay Papa Bear, kitang-kita natin yon. Ano man ang katapat, siya'y naging tapat at gagawin ang dapat at nararapat. Nagtitipon tayo pagdiwang ng 50 taon ni Mama Poyen at Papa Bear. Pinili ko yung salitang kaligayahan kesa sa kasayahan. Kasi yung kasayahan, minsan mababaw, minsan panandalian, minsan saglit, at madaling umalpas. Samantalang ang salitang kaligayahan, malalim, matagal, nanunuot sa ating diwa. Pero kasama ng kaligayahan, mayroong kalungkutan. Kasama ng kaligayahan, may sakripisyo.
Happy 50th golden wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa. It's my turn now kay Papa to give thanks and sa lahat ng mga pangalan mo, especially sa akin, your prodigal daughter.
I'm very blessed to have my mom and dad. I know it's not easy na magpalaki ng isang Vincent, but they did a good job, I would say. And they brought me closer to God. My mom, special shout out sa mommy ko because she really made sacrifices along the way. When everybody was looking down on you, nandun si mommy ko, it was only my mom who stood by my side during my darkest days.
I will be here when you feel like being quiet. When you need to speak your mind, I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here.
Kung nagmamahal kayo, at ang pinakamagandang simbolo ng pagmamahal ay hindi ang puso, kundi ang krus. Pag nagmahal ka, may krus kang dadalhin. Pero kapag mahal mo, kapag pinamahal mo at pinakamamahal mo, kahit ang mga saglit na ito at mga kirot sa buhay natin, madadalhan natin sapagkat alam natin siya ay bigay sa atin ng Panginoon. At siya lang naman ang magbibigay sa atin ng tunay na kaligayahan, ng tunay na kasiyahan, at ang tunay na kapayapaan.
So we're so blessed to get to start with you guys.
I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you. I will be here to watch you grow in beauty. Tell you all the things you want to me. I will be I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me.
Happy 50th anniversary. Sana makarating din kami ng kanyang katawan.
And just as sure as seasons are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for years.
Salamat sa pag-ibig. Tayo naman sa tuloyan.
I will be here, we'll be together forever. 'Cause I will be here.